New project, friends. I painted the windshield that was originally black. I painted it white. Tell me in the comments what you think. It appears to me that it looks newer or sleeker, but I put 2 coats on it. I'm thinking about putting a 3rd coat on it. But tell me, what color would you choose? Hit me in the comments with that. All right. Yes, indeedy. Tell me what you think, because I'm excited to the nth degree. I painted that windshield frame white. Man, and this with marine paint. It makes the boat look a lot newer, doesn't it? It really does. Yep. Makes it look a lot newer. A fresh look. Now we paint the bottom black. It's really gonna pop. For sure. Man. We just want to share that with you. Get your comments. What you think? Let me know in the comments. Or if you just like it, hit that like button. You heard me? All right. Help me out here. What color would you have chosen for the windshield or the bottom paint? If we're thinking about painting the bottom, but we're not sure if we want to really do it in black or blue or red or green or gray, put it back original. I'd like to know what you think about it. Appreciate it. Hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. We appreciate you guys 100%, and we ain't just saying that. It's from the heart. Peace. Till next time. Let me know what you think about the color. What color would you choose? Have a peaceful day.